Have you ever wondered which of the two tiny organisms, bacteria and protozoa, reigns supreme? In the previous video, we had already discussed about few types of small organisms, that is fungi, bacteria and algae. In this video, let's shed some light on another tiny organism, that is protozoa, before we compare it with bacteria. Namaskar and welcome back to this insightful video. The name protozoa is derived from two Greek words, that is proto and zoon. Proto means primitive or the original and zoon means animal. So actually the protozoa was named to such an organism which was considered to be like the primitive organisms. The term was coined by German zoologist George August Goldfuss in 1880. He believed that protozoans were the most primitive or original animals that included various unicellular organisms at that time. Most of the protozoa consist of single cell. They are animal-like because they are heterotrophs and can move. Protozoa are not actually animals. They are thought to be the ancestors of animals. They are larger than bacteria and are found in a variety of environments. There are around 65,000 species of protozoans categorized in different groups. Protozoa are majorly categorized into four parts, and that is based on their structure and locomotion. Let's understand. The first one in this category is Mastigophora. These are the free-living or parasitic organisms possessing whip-like structures known as flagella. These flagella are essential and help these protozoans in mobility. Protozoa in this category thrive in marine, fresh and moist soil. These organisms are characterized by their lack of a defined shape and absence of pellicle. Now it becomes important to understand what is the pellicle. A pellicle is a thin flexible protective layer that covers cell membrane like skin. It helps by providing the structural support and helps maintain the cell shape. Next one is Sporozoa. These are endoparasitic and they do not have any specific organ like flagella for locomotion. They have subpellicular microtubes in the pellicle present. The last but not the least, Ciliophora. They are aquatic and move actively with help of thousands of cilia. They have fixed shape. They move with cilia's help, which also helps in taking food inside the gullet. They reproduce by transverse difference called trichocysts. Now when we already know about all the four types of protozoans, it becomes important to know few examples. Number 1. Mastigophora, Trichomonas giardia. Number 2. Sarcodina, Amoeba, Entamoeba. Number 3. Sporozoa, Plasmodium, Globidium. Number 4. Paramecium and Vorticella. And Leeuwenhoek was the first person to demonstrate protozoan species. Since protozoa can be free-living or parasitic, it is essential to understand both the types. So what is the difference? The free-living protozoas are the ones which do not need any host for their survival. Whereas the parasitic protozoa, they need a host. Say it can be animal or plant or human body, and then they use all the energy and resources from the host. So they are parasitic in nature. After knowing about the protozoas, it's time for us to differentiate between bacteria and protozoa. So bacteria are the prokaryotic organism, but they lack nucleus, whereas these protozoans are eukaryotic organisms and have their nucleus. Bacteria come in various shapes like spherical, rod-like and spiral, whereas the protozoas have complex cellular structures. Found everywhere in soil, water, even inside our bodies are the bacteria, whereas the protozoans mainly thrive in aquatic environments and are found in moist soil. Bacteria have a nutrition mode of being autotrophic or heterotrophic, whereas protozoa are mostly heterotrophic. Ecological importance. In addition to their diverse feeding strategies, protozoa serve as essential food sources for larger organisms, including insects and worms. Their presence in ecosystem support a wide range of food webs and contribute to the overall biodiversity. So what do you think? Who wins the clash between bacteria and protozoa? It is a tie. Yes, they both play a vital role in our ecosystems. If you liked the video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in another insightful episode next time. Till then, bye-bye.